So, Herbalife Active Fiber Complex. It has so many great health benefits, such as, helping you improve your digestion, your bowel movement, helps you get rid of bloating, and a lot of other amazing and powerful things that it can do to your body. However, a lot of you guys have complained that it tastes kind of unpleasant. Right? So, are there ways that we can actually mask the apple fiber flavor, the taste? Well, actually, there are many ways to do it. And I actually have come up with a few recipes that we can experiment here today. And I have a very special guest here with me. My husband Vince, he's going to actually try. He's actually going to do a blind taste challenge. So he can actually try the different flavors we have, the different recipes we have to mask the apple fiber complex, and give us like you're gonna give us an honest review, right? An honest opinion of what they taste like, and whether if my recipes have successfully masked the apple flavor, the apple complex flavor. All right. Okay, so here we have 3 different drinks, 3 different recipes, which are all made with our Active Fiber Complex. Okay, our Herbalife Active Fiber Complex. So let's see. My husband here, like Vince, is blindfolded. So let's see which drink is the most appealing to him. And we're gonna get his 100% unbiased an honest opinion on the drinks, okay? And at the end, we're gonna ask him, what is his verdict? Which drink would he stick with? Which one does he prefer? Which one can he actually have every day? So I hope, all these recipes will give you guys some inspirations and some ideas for your experiment. All right, so let's start from drink number 1, okay? He has no idea what these drinks are, so let's just go from our drink number 1. Okay, I'll review the recipe to you guys first. Okay, so the first recipe, we have our active fiber together with our collagen booster, okay? And I'm gonna add a bit of lemon in the drink as well, so there's a bit more citrusy kind of taste to it. So firstly, let's add a scoop of our fiber, okay? Fiber in first, and then let's add a scoop of our collagen booster. So the collagen booster has a really nice lemon and strawberry flavor, lemonade strawberry flavor, but because it is still a little bit sweet and the active fiber has the apple flavor already, so I don't want them to be too sweet together. That's why I would like to add a bit more lemon, just a natural lemon juice in the drink. Okay, now pour in your water. Just room temperature water. So here I have a glass, that's about 400 ml here. I do recommend everyone to do about at least 300 ml of water for our drinks. So I usually like to do 400 ml of warm water or room temperature for the fiber. So let's squirt in some lemon, make it a little bit messy, but it's okay. All right, I think that's enough lemon here. And just give it a really good stir. So here's our drink number 1. 1 second, I have to stir it. So make sure before you drink your apple fiber drink, if it's been sitting there for some time, give it a good stir because it has a lot of fiber and grains. All right. You can take a big bold sip, okay?
It's good. I like it.
Can you describe the flavor? Describe the texture?
A little gritty, a little powdery, but it tastes good. It tastes like strawberry. Yeah, it tastes like strawberry. Yeah.
Okay, great. Nice. Would you drink that in the morning?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Awesome. So that's drink number 1. Now let's try drink number 2. Okay, drink number 2. Got our main character here, Active Fiber Complex, but we're gonna add in the herbal aloe concentrate this time. We got mango flavor, and then I'm gonna add in a little bit of the Brazilian tea, the NRG tea. Okay, this is one of my favorite recipes. So let's see if my husband likes it. So firstly, again, 1 scoop of your active fiber. Okay, and then what I usually do is I like to add in the water first, so the water can dissolve the powder. Okay, so same as the last glass, all the way to the top, 400 ml. Give it a good stir. Okay, now let's add in our mango aloe. So the mango aloe and the energy tea should actually mask some of the apple fiber taste. So I will do 1 cap, okay? And of course, you guys can adjust the portion of the aloe if you like a bit more, if you like a different flavor, feel free to experiment. And with the tea, I'll just do a little bit. My husband doesn't like too much caffeine, so I'll just do like 1/4 of a teaspoon, okay? But you know, with the aloe and the tea, right, that actually adds the extra hydration, the the energy boosting benefits to the active fiber drink. So you have all these added, added health benefits all together in one drink. Okay, so this is our drink number 2. Fiber stir. You can tell they look very similar, drink number 1 and 2, but there's a slight, color difference.
It's not as chalky.
Not as chalky.
It's
Isn't this exciting? He can't see what he's drinking.
Refreshing. I don't know. It's different from the other one.
So would you say that you like drink number 2 better than number 1?
Yeah, I will say so. Yeah, it's more refreshing. I would prefer drink number 2.
Okay, all right, nice. Now, number 3. Okay, so Vince can't see what number 3 looks like, but you guys, you can see number 3 is very, very different to the previous 2 drinks. So, drink number 3, we got our apple fiber and we got our F1. So this one is a great snack shake idea that you can actually mask your fiber complex. So it's very simple. You simply blend it with the shake together. Okay, so for today's demonstration and for my husband's tasting, I'm gonna keep it simple. So we'll be using water for our shake. Okay, so about 300 ml of your water. I know I normally tell you guys to use, like some kind of milk, right? Nut milk or, cow's milk. But, for the simplicity of today's video, but also, you can actually use water for your shake. Mostly when the shake is like a snack shake, then using water to blend with your F1 is actually okay. Okay, so we got our pineapple mango flavor Formula 1, 2 scoops in, and then let's add our fiber complex, 1 scoop in. Okay, so you can imagine the fusion of these flavors here. We got apple flavor fiber complex mixed with pineapple and mango. Should be quite an interesting mix. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to add ice or some other fruit. And also for you guys to make your shake in the morning, right? You can just add your scoop of fiber into your shake as well, right? So you can probably already guess what this will taste like and how this shake can mask the flavor. Okay, let's go and give it a good blend. Active fiber and F1 snack shake here. All right, enjoy your drink number 3. A mystery mocktail.
It's thicker. It's a lot sweeter. This is like, I don't know.
Your body seems
It's
to
almost
like
creamier.
Creamy, okay.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not as powdery as the other 2.
Okay. Do you like it as a drink?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, it's a different type of drink.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a different type of drink. Yeah.
Right, you guys can tell, right? You can see it's a lot thicker and creamier. Okay, so do you want to take off your blindfold and have a look at these drinks and tell us, your final conclusion, your verdict of the 3 drinks?
So which one did I like?
You like the middle one, number 2. You said.
What is it though? What is it?
So what's in it? So the recipe number 2 is basically active fiber mixed with aloe vera and the NRGT.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's very refreshing.
Refreshing, right? Yeah. So thanks to
What's
probably the
this
tea and aloe vera. So number 1, we have the collagen booster with active fiber, and I squeezed some lemon juice, natural lemon juice in there too.
I can kind of taste the lemon now that you mention it.
Right. Can you
It's
taste
a lot
the
sweeter.
collagen?
It's a lot sweeter than
Right.
this one. This one's not as sweet. That's probably why I like it.
Right. The creamy one. It's Formula 1 shake with active fiber. And water, that's it. Yeah, no milk or any other kind of ingredients.
Yeah, it's very creamy. Since it doesn't have any milk, I'm surprised. It's very creamy and milky.
Yeah, it's the protein. It's actually the soy protein from the F1, right? So would you say that with the shake one, you can't really taste the grains, right? Like
Yeah,
the
it's not as
chalkiness.
chalky or grainy. Yeah.
Okay, right. So for those of you guys who don't like your fiber drink to be too chalky and grainy, then it's a great idea for you to blend it with your shake, right? Because it really pretty much just masks everything. Okay, and for those of you guys who prefer something refreshing, take Vince's idea, take his suggestion, try with the aloe vera and the tea. Okay, and I guess the collagen drink with the fiber is for those of you who like something a bit sweeter, and also it's very convenient if you mix your fiber with your collagen, right? So it's like one stone, two birds. Yeah. So the verdict, which one do you like the most?
I like this one the most.
Number 2. Ta-da! All right, guys. So this is our first like blind taste challenge with my husband Vince. And I hope you guys liked today's episode, and maybe you've learned something from the 3 different recipes. And the recipes can give you some ideas of like how you can mask your active fiber drink, right? If you don't like the taste. But let us know in the comment below if you also have some good recipe ideas. There's my son crying. Let us know in the comment below if you also have some good recipe ideas you would like to share. If you also have a good way to mask the fiber drink, okay? Let us know. And also, let us know if you like my husband Vince to do another like blind taste challenge. And if you have any good recipes you would like Vince to try as well. He can give you 100% honest, unbiased opinions and reviews, okay? Which I love, all right? So I hope you guys have fun watching this episode. As much fun as, how we make this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care and
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. Bye.